Hi guys, today I have OPPO A2 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. Welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. Our first step to set mobile data limits on it is we must go to the settings, where we took first with second option mobile network and data usage. In it, data usage limit, and there we can manage our mobile data limits. First option, start calculating data usage from. It can be first day of each month. Confirm by OK. There we can turn on daily data usage limit by switch on, and when we tap on that we can custom. We can set how many gigabytes or megabytes we want to have our data daily limit, and we can turn on functions send alert only or send alert and turn off mobile data limit after we used this 5 megabytes. Confirm by OK. And second option, we can turn on it, and after we tap on it we can custom it too. We can custom how many gigabytes and megabytes we want. The same option, send alert only or send alert and turn off mobile data limits. And we can turn on or turn off function data warming, and we can set how many gigabytes, after how many gigabytes we get warming. And to save it we press this one icon. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.